Great ideas for putting an end to snoring. My husband used to snore so loud that I wasn't able to sleep at night. We sent him to a sleep clinic and he received a CPAP machine, and now we both get a sound sleep nightly. Read on for some tips to help you overcome your snoring problem and get some shut-eye. If you want to stop snoring, don't drink that glass of warm, or cold, milk at bedtime. Dairy beverages can make your nose generate more mucus, which will block your air passages, which will cause you to snore. Drinking water instead will keep your nose from blocking, and will keep you from snoring. If you snore, sew a tennis ball on the backside of your shirt. The reason for this is that it will prevent you from sleeping on your back, which is the main position that a person snores in. If you do not have a tennis ball, you could use a baseball. People who suffer from congestion because of allergies or other causes are likely to snore. Congestion in your airways and nasal passages inhibits airflow and makes it difficult to breathe while sleeping. Taking a decongestant medicine before you go to bed will reduce this. If you lose weight, you may find that you will stop snoring. This is because people who are overweight may have an accumulation of fat in the throat area that causes a narrowing of the air passageways. This, in turn, can lead to snoring. Losing weight can allow the airways to open up normally, so that snoring is minimized or eliminated. When my husband had his test, I decided to get my own, only to find out I have a similar condition. While a CPAP machine can seem scary at first, I've fallen in love with mine and couldn't sleep without it. Using the tips in this video will help you to get things under control just as we have. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.